welcome to my channel, Naturally Hey. So in this video I will be showing you all my favorite lipsticks for the winter time to keep your lips popping in the winter and the cold. So my favorite lipsticks are from MAC collection, and I really just like how they make my lips feel, all that. So I'll just start off by going from my top favorites. So number one, which is like I feel like everybody's favorite, is Ruby Woo. So it's like the perfect red that you can like really do anytime. This is actually a fresh one too because my dog actually hit up my other one, so I was so mad I had to go get another. So as you can see, the red lip is always popping. Like literally whenever I wear black, I'm like, all right, you know, I gotta pop out with the red lip. And it's just so, it looks just so nice. It's so nice, elegant, classy, sexy, all the above. So I feel like with the red lip, you can really never go wrong. I was actually late on the whole Ruby Woo thing, so I was like, I needed me a poppin' red, so I got me a poppin' red, and this is what it is. So yes, so that's the first one. So let's move on to the second one. So if you are looking for the perfect nude, look no further because MAC, this one is called Touch, and it's a lustrous type of lipstick. And as you can tell, it's kind of like real simple, real laid back, and it blends in nice and well. So yes, this has been actually one of my favorite lipsticks since like high school or college, I want to say, because it's kind of, it can go with anything. It can be like a chill look if you have like a lot going on with your outfit and you want to just make sure you have some on your lips but not do too much. I feel like this is like a good look to go for, and you know, it feels good on my lips and it looks good as well. So yeah, this is like one of my all-time favorites. And in the wintertime, sometimes you just want to go out and be like kind of chill, or you know, it's already cold, so it's like, you know, I got me this perfect nude, and you know, everybody needs a nude in their collection. So yeah, so moving on to this look, it's a little bit different than like my usual go-to, but if you can see closely, it's kind of like a purple grayish nude type of look, and this one is called the Ruffle trim. I don't really wear this one too often because I don't really know what to wear with it, but I feel like you can wear a lot of, like, if you have on, you know, something bright and you just trying to like have something simple with the face, you can go ahead and go with this color. I'm still trying to figure out like how I like it and how I would like to wear it, but I feel like definitely in the winter time it gives you kind of like that simple, laid back type of glow. You know, you're not really doing too much. It's almost like it's dark, but it just gives you like a different feel. Like I never had lipstick like this to give you, because I don't really wear like dark lipstick or anything, but I feel like this is kind of as close as I'm gonna get to it, honestly speaking. So yeah, so that is the third one. So this is the fourth one, and this one is called D for Danger. And what I like about this one is not really red and it's not really pink, so it's like a good mixture between both of them. And you know, I feel like it can go either if you want to do red, go for the red look, or if you want to go for the pink look. It's the perfect right in between lip color. So I actually got it from the little mini lipstick section, so it was only like $10 versus I think the regular price is $17. And yeah, I like it. I wear it, and I feel like it's like the perfect mix. Give you like a nice, fresh look. So my last winter one is called Sand. Now this is one of my favorite. Now you see this, it's like a burgundy color, and I like this as far as probably the darkest I'll go, and it's just kind of like grown and sexy to me, because it's like I think my mom actually has like the same color and she loves it. So I figure like this color is like real date night, go out night, any type of night, any type of day, how you feeling. But it's definitely a winter lip that I like to wear. And you see it gives you like a nice, maybe like a little seductive look. But as you all can see, I really love like reds are like my favorite. So I be having like 3 shades of red. Like I had the Ruby Woo, I had the Deeper Danger, and now I got Sand. They all kind of like in the red family, but they're all different, and that's kind of what I like. Close. So those lipsticks are my favorite wintertime lipsticks. You can wear them really anywhere, to work, out to brunch with friends, out on a date, just going out in the city, wherever. It's just like I just wanted to share my favorite lipsticks. So, and I haven't really explored too much with makeup. I don't really wear makeup like that on the regular. I may just do mascara and lipstick and call it a day. But when it comes down to lipsticks, I've only tried MAC Fenty, and I do have a Cali lip kit. So that color is kind of bright, probably like in my spring collection. So yeah, this is just to give you a taste. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed my winter favorite lipstick. So if you like more videos like this, comment below and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned, and hit that bell so you can know when I'm posting, everything like that. So yes, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.